Hey, welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something that honestly affects every single one of us, the value of our time online. We're going to break down exactly how you can stop leaving that value on the table and start turning your everyday digital habits into real, actual rewards. So let's get right into it. I want you to just think about this for a second. All those hours you spend scrolling, all the posts you've liked, every single video you've watched. What if all that effort wasn't just disappearing into thin air? What if it was actually an asset that you could build? And this right here, this visual just nails the core problem. On the left, that's the old way of doing things. Your digital effort, your attention, your data, your clicks, it powers this massive digital economy. But for you, that value just, poof, it's gone. But look at the right. The IM ecosystem completely changes the game. That exact same effort gets captured and turned into a digital asset that you actually own. So how in the world does this shift actually happen? Well, it all comes down to a really simple, kind of elegant system that's designed to capture that value for you. Let's break it down. Okay, so this is what we call the value exchange loop, and it shows the entire journey from your screen time to real purchasing power. It's a simple three-step process. You engage, you earn, and you redeem. This is basically our roadmap for the next few minutes. Let's just walk through that one more time, step by step. It all starts with what you're already doing every day, engaging online. Then, your effort gets converted into IM coins through something we call the translation layer. And finally, you redeem those coins for real-world stuff using IM Pay. Simple, logical, and honestly, pretty powerful. Now, right at the heart of this whole system is this translation layer. The best way to think about IM coins is as the engine that's doing all the heavy lifting. It takes these abstract things you do online, like a like or a view, and it translates them directly into a digital currency. It's the bridge that connects what you do on your phone to actual real-world value. Okay, so we've covered the what and the why. Now let's get to the fun part, the how. How do you actually start racking up these coins? Let's get into the nitty-gritty. All right, so inside the IM Connect app, everything is built on what we call these 4 pillars of earning. And what's so cool about this is that it's not a one-size-fits-all thing. Whether you're a creator who loves making content, a viewer who just enjoys watching it, or maybe you're a networker who's great at connecting people, there is a way for you to turn your activity into real rewards. Okay, first up, referral earnings. This one's for all you networkers out there. It's super straightforward. You invite your friends to IM Connect, and you earn coins for every successful referral. But listen, here's the pro tip. Focus on the word successful. You don't just want to spam invites. You want to bring in people who will actually join and engage, because that's what unlocks the real reward. Next, for all you creators, this one's for you, star earnings. This pillar lets you go from being just a passive scroller to an active creator who gets rewarded for the value you're bringing. When people reward your posts with stars, you earn IM coins. So the key here, the real secret sauce, it is all about engagement. Create posts that get people talking, interacting, and sharing. Pillar 3, this might be the absolute easiest way to get your foot in the door. Watch to earn. This is all about passive accumulation. You just watch some promotional videos or sponsored content and earn coins daily. And the trick to making this work is just building it into your daily downtime. You know, when you're on the bus, waiting in line, it's the lowest effort way to keep your coin balance ticking up. And last but not least, we've got time bucks. The logic here couldn't be simpler. You're already on your phone, so let's make every minute count. You earn coins just by spending active time in the app. But here's the catch, and it's an important one. It has to be active time. You know, scrolling, clicking, and interacting, not just leaving the app open in the background. Okay, so earning coins is awesome, right? But that's only half the equation. The real magic happens when you turn those digital assets into something you can actually use. So let's talk about the really exciting part, the output engine. And that brings us to IM Pay. This is your gateway to redeeming all that value you've been collecting. And it's not just one thing. It's this huge, diverse portfolio of rewards that covers everything from your daily needs to some pretty cool luxury experiences. This is where you go from just collecting to actually cashing in. Let's start with the really practical day-to-day stuff. This is about using your digital assets to chip away at your real-world expenses. I mean, just imagine paying for your groceries with coins you earned while watching videos, or covering your phone bill, your electricity, your water, all of it directly with the value you generated just by being online. But hey, it's not just about covering bills. It's also about upgrading your lifestyle. You can redeem your coins for cool stuff when you're shopping, you can pay for your streaming and entertainment subscriptions, and you can even put them towards flights, hotels, and travel. This is where all that time you spend online really starts to pay off in ways that, make life a little more fun.
Okay, so now you know how to earn and you know how to spend. Now, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Think of this as the Power User Playbook, your cheat sheet to mastering this system and getting the most out of it from day one.
We call this the Power User Protocol, and it's all about creating a simple rhythm. Every day, focus on the easy stuff, the watch to earn and time bucks, during those little pockets of free time. Then, once a week, set aside some time to post some really engaging content to pull in those start earnings. And all the while, as an ongoing thing, just keep inviting new, high-quality users to get those nice referral spikes.
And this quote right here, it just nails the entire strategy. The whole goal is to find a balance, to create this loop where your active efforts, like creating content or referring friends, are boosted by this steady stream of passive income from watching and just spending time. It's just a smarter way to do things, It's sustainable. All right, we've gone through the what, the how, and the why. We've covered the concept, the methods, and the strategy. So really, there's only one thing left to do.
And look, it really is this simple. The IM ecosystem is live, it's ready to go. All that digital effort you're putting out there is just waiting to be captured. All you have to do is download the IM Connect app, log in, and start your earning journey. It's a straight line from the time you spend on your phone to real-world value. So I'm going to leave you with this one last thought. For years, all the value you've been creating online has just been given away for free. Now you actually have the tools to capture it, to own it, and to use it. Your digital life has real value. The only question left is, are you ready to claim it?